Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint. Today's body paint is a little bit more unconventional. This is because that I haven't seen the movie that my character is coming from today. I'm talking about Hocus Pocus and today I'm planning to recreate Sarah Sanderson. First of all, the body paint. So if you're ready for this, let's start! The inspiration picture for today is gonna be this one right here, and I will try first of all to start by the lines from this dress using a very old, it's a lip pencil from Golden Rose. I don't know the name, it's probably like 7-year-old. Like, it's amazingly old and I don't want to use it for my face, either eyes or lips, so for this reason I'm gonna spend it on lining my body paints. So let's do it! The basic design is here and the plan is to fill this area right here with purple. I don't have purple, but I have these three colors right here. Everything is from Eulenspiegel. I don't know if you can see them properly. I'm planning to combine them all to create my own purple since I couldn't find anything. And in this palette, this is from Mehron, Aqua Paradise. Yeah, that's the name. So if you see, I have 3 empty slots, so I can do the mix here and then keep it here until I finish it. Well, I ended up with this purple right here. This is kind of far away from the plum purple that I was intended to create, but I realized that this is the perfect color to fill these parts of my dress. So I have prepared my brush, I'm gonna do this and then I will come back and then I will do this part of my outfit. Let's do it! Yay! After a lot of tests, as you can see, I think that I found a purple that it might work for what I want. So my purple is this one right here. But yeah, that's my purple. I found it. I'm quite proud of myself, let me tell you. I'm taking my brush, the brush that I was experimenting with, and I'm gonna fill the color. Let's say it color for the video. I had to admit, I had so much fun creating my own purple right here. Let's go to the next step. For the next step, I'm gonna take from NYX Professional Makeup the Epic Ink Liner and I'm gonna make the corners sharper. I'm gonna give it more shape. So let's do it! In order to give some dimension to my coat, I'm gonna take James Charles palette in collaboration with Morphe, and then I'm gonna choose this shadow right here. The name is Single, and I'm gonna create the lights with this eyeshadow, while then I'm gonna take this, which is darker, and then I'm gonna create some shadows, and if I don't find it dark enough, I will go with pure black. So let's do it! Now I'm gonna do exactly the same procedure to give shade and lights at these things that I still don't know how they are called. So for the light part, I'm gonna use this shadow right here. This is called Pinkity Drinkity. And this one right here for the shadows, which is called Escape. So let's do it! I want to be completely honest with you. So the thing is that I didn't really like what I have done with my golden chain, so I followed a different technique. Using the same brush right here with the golden eyeshadow with the mixing medium, the Duraline from Inglot, I created some tiny circles and then I added some shadows, and I think that this looks better than the other one. Anyway, now we are moving on. So I'm gonna take a white brush and I'm gonna create the whole dress. Okay, now that the main design is ready, I'm gonna do some lighting and shading as always. And for this I'm gonna use basically 3 shadows: Pinkity Drinkity, Love That and Single. And if you want to see them without the plastic, these 3. These for the darker parts, these for the lighter parts, and this something like a transition in between the colors. Next step is to do the spiral patterns on my dress. I really don't know what's gonna work. I'm gonna try several methods. First of all, I'm gonna start by lip pencil. This is from Glam Shop. a polish in the brand. So I'm gonna try this. If this performs good and I'm happy with the result, I'm not gonna try anything else. Or if it's not performing that well, then I'm gonna update you what I have done. Let me explain you very quickly what happened here. So, as you know, I started using the pencil, but then I realized that it was way too dark for what I wanted to do. Then I decided to go with the body paint that I used before, that purple. Look at it, whoop! So actually it fell on me and now I have a purple stamp, but that's irrelevant right now. I used this anyway. So I just activated with water, I didn't mix it with anything else, and now I'm gonna create the buttons. So I'm gonna show you step by step the procedure in order to see how I'm using this and with which brush. Next step is to add some shadows, and I'm gonna do this with Epic Ink Eyeliner from NYX Professional Makeup. Okay, now it's time to create the strings which will connect my dress, and for this I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner from Colourpop. This is in the shade Grande, and with this I'm gonna create the strings and then I will highlight them with either a white body paint or the white eyeliner from NYX. We are moving on to the fishnet sleeves that this dress has, and for this I'm gonna need some red body paint and a very tiny and very thin brush in order to depict all the details that they have. And I finished with the dress. Tell me your opinion, tell me what do you think about the dress, and also I would be very interesting to know if you have watched the movie, and if yes, what's your opinion. I know that I said that I'm gonna watch it after I finish with the filming. Right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I'm not gonna do this today, maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna do it as soon as possible. So without any spoilers, do you like the movie and what was the highlight for you? I would love to hear your opinion, so don't forget to write a comment down below. Okay, now it's time to move on to the face makeup, and as always I'm gonna prime my eyes with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna use the official Hocus Pocus palette from Colourpop, so I don't know if I'm gonna do an exclusive eye look with this palette, but look at it, look at the purple and the green that it has. Oh my god, like I have already considered to do a, you know, dark purple slash red look, but I saw the green, I'm like, I need to try it. I don't know if I will in the end, but for sure I'm gonna try this Hello Billy, which is a very nice plum purple, and I feel that this with this color right here will match perfectly. So I will stop talking, I will prime my eyes and I will come back. My god, I just noticed my red eye. So you know what happened? As you can see, my hands are red from the red body paint. So accidentally I touched my face, so now I have this. I hope that I'm not stained right now, because I know that the red stains are the worst. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna try to remove it and then I will continue with the eyes. Oh my god. As I said before, I'm gonna start with Hello Billy right here, a very nice plum purple. So let's see what are we getting here. Next step is to deepen it up a little bit more, and I'm gonna be a brave girl and I'm gonna use this dark green right here, Fur Black as Black. Okay, very interesting naming. So I'm gonna smoke it out into this shade with a cat. Oh my god, the print of a cat is killing me, it's so good. So yeah, and let's see how the whole thing is gonna go, because to be honest I have some doubts about what I'm doing right now, but still, I wanna experiment with my makeup. As you can see from this eye, I used a shimmer and I used this one, Twist the Bones. Nice name, very creative name. If these names are having a meaning in the movie, please let me know, because they are so interesting to me and I cannot really understand what is going on and I feel that I'm missing things. Anyway, so I'm taking this primer, it's not a primer, it's a glitter glue, and I feel that with this glitter glue all the shimmery shadows are working way better. So I'm placing an amount on my hand, and with a clean brush, I'm placing this on my eye. Since I'm doing pretty much the same steps at every makeup that I'm doing, I'm not gonna waste time and explain you in many details what I have done, but I have used this marshmallow primer from NYX Professional Makeup and then a combination of foundations. So I used this one from Lumene Matte Oil Control, and this one right here from Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Again, the same eternal problem for me. This is warmer, this is colder and lighter, so by mixing them together I have the perfect combination. Also, I tried something kinda new for me today. I took from Linda Halberry the Interstellar. This is a liquid eyeshadow and I used it as a highlighter base, and as you can see right here, this is stunning! So I'm planning to use it at my other cheek on camera in order to see exactly what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna add my proper powder highlighter. As I have said, this is working as a base, and on the top I'm gonna grab a palette. This one right here, this is from Makeup Academy, a quite old palette, but I love the shadows, like the quality is very good. So I'm gonna take a kind of fluffy brush. This is from NYX, the 16, and I'm gonna take this purple right here because I feel that today it's gonna be full purple look, and then I will go on the top of the highlighter. Next, I will apply my blush, and for this I'm taking from Annabelle Minerals the mineral blush in the shade Rose, and let me tell you, this is a very nice blush. Like, I'm using it in my 3-4 latest makeups, and this is quite rare for me because I tend to change blushes quite often, but this is very nice because you think that it's kind of muted and it's really versatile, but it's not muted, and that's what I love about it. So see how it performs. Next step is to apply some bronzer. As always, I'm having this one, the Cryptid one from Sunkissed. My god, at some point I need to buy a new one since I'm using it so much. I cannot just be with the broken, you know, and you see, I'm about to start finishing it. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So as I know, spoiler alert, not that much, this whole movie is about witches, so I decided to tell you the word witch in Greek, and if it's not about witches, just correct me down at the comments. So in Greek we say μάγισσα. Say with me, ma-gi-sa. Μάγισσα. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word μάγισσα, or actually telling me the word μάγισσα in your own native language. Let's be creative, people! Last step for the face makeup is to apply some powder, and I have my favorite powder from Kosas right here, the Cloud Breeze. You already know it by now. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm start working. I completely forgot to fix my eyebrows, but fortunately I remembered it kinda on time and I did it. And actually these days I'm trying a new product. So here we have from e.l.f. the Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. So it's very good. It's way better than the previous one that I have from MUA. I'm quite new to the eyebrow lash mascaras and clear mascaras and all these good products, so I couldn't really tell about the previous one, but now I can definitely see the difference. Anyway, back to relevancy, let's finish this makeup look with the lips. So I'm gonna go with the Glam Shop. Oh my god, again Polish name. I mean, that's great because you know diversity, but I cannot read it. I cannot say it to you. So it's a very nice green one in a name, which I cannot really read. And on the top, I'm gonna use from Essence Matte 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 in the shade number 10, Vibrant Shock, and let's do the lips! If you want to zoom in a little bit or anything like that, you can always follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page is Catlady Antigoni. Down here, you can go follow me there and see a lot of surprises that we are doing there. Also, if you found this video useful or if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to this channel for more makeup content. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!